have seen and used. So you first of all buy Bitcoin with the money from your account. Remember, one of the rules of crypto trading is that always use money you can afford to lose, not because you're going to lose it, but it's going to help you to emotionally distance yourself from the trading, so that you can make sound decisions in crypto trading. Remember, the point is buying low and selling high. So if you don't control yourself emotionally, the volatility of the market will make you to sell at the very wrong time, and you will lose your trading equity. So emotional management, because people, whenever they invest their money, they'll start watching what they're doing like a hawk, trying to monitor it, figure out, and to know when it's giving a profit. At the end of the day, if the market goes the other way, out of panic, they panic sell. They sell with panic, and immediately sell with panic, the market starts going up again. Remember, the market does not have the market does not go in a straight line. It does not have a steady, doesn't go, how do I put it now? Doesn't have a particular pattern. It can be down today, it can be up tomorrow, so what gives you profit is trading the volatility of the market. That's actually what gives you profit. Because today the market can be down and tomorrow is high. So if you're positioned at the down, when tomorrow it becomes high, you can take a profit. That's what we trade. We trade the volatility of the market. So remember, I said Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer cash payment system that helps you to send and receive value globally. Now, Bitcoin has solved the trust issues, because Bitcoin is trustless. One of the issues people have when it comes to transacting is trust. But with Bitcoin, you can trust that what you give is what you get, even with much more value. So like I said, to start, you buy Bitcoin. When you buy Bitcoin, you trade it on what we call an exchange. There are so many exchanges available today. You can also find them too on that app I mentioned earlier, the Coin Market Cap. You can trade cryptocurrency on Coin Market Cap. Sorry, that was a mistake. That was an error. You can trade cryptocurrencies on exchanges, but you can get more information on cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. Now, one of those exchanges is Binance. There are other ones, Hotbit, P2P. There are so many exchanges out there. Of course, I'm not promoting. I'm just giving you what the options that I use. So when you buy Bitcoin, you move it from the place you bought it at. Of course, Luno is not just the only place you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy from people, trusted escrow services, trusted people. You can buy from them, and they'll just send it directly to the exchange where you are set to make your money. Now, it's on these exchanges that you practice your money making strategies, your profit taking strategies. You learn how to enter the trade, how to set your trade for profit. Because it's not just about entering the trade. What gives you the profit is being able to set your profit target and get your profit out of it. So you move your Bitcoin to the exchange, and you enter the trade, and you leave with profit. Of course, it's not always 100% guaranteed that you always make profit. So there's what we call stop loss. Stop loss helps you to minimize loss, just in case peradventure the market doesn't go as expected. You can set what we call a stop loss. Stop loss helps you to minimize loss on the exchange, on your trade, so that even if you're losing, if you use 100% of your money trading equity to enter, you just lose like 1-3% or 7% of what you used to enter. It's better than losing the complete value of your trading equity. So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, that not all cryptocurrencies, some of them are very, 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 very valuable. If you're interested, I can give you 2 to 5 cryptocurrencies that you don't need to stress yourself. If you don't want to bother about trading, just buying these cryptocurrencies, these 2 to 5 cryptocurrencies that I'll give to you, can set you, give you lots of profits for the rest of the year. If you're a very busy person and you feel like this crypto trading thing is too much for you, you can learn just a simple way of entering a trade and leaving a trade, and then buy these specialized tiny cryptos, invest in them, and then go your way. I'm telling you, you'll make up to nothing less than 500% on any of them. It will be your passive income. It will be like have your piggy vest where you put your piggy bank where you put in, you drop tiny money, and when at the end of 1 to 3 months you find that the money has like boomed. So I can give you 3 to 5. Of course, these coins have been a blessing to me in the past 4 months. All cryptocurrencies don't have value, but there are some that are specialized tiny cryptos, very sweet gems. The market, even if they're going down, you are sure that they are so good, they'll give you profit eventually. So, you need basic knowledge of what crypto is to start. Simple. And you need to understand the risk involved. There are risks involved, but there is risk management for them. You can manage the risk. Then you need to join a platform, like my platform, where you get signals. What you get in my platform is when to enter a trade, when to leave a trade, profit strategies, updates on the market. What are those, informations that can give you profit? Basically, anybody that's doing anything, what you want to do is make money, but you also need to do it with the right information. Education will save you in this space. Information is more important than any technical analysis, and that's the truth. Technical analysis is good though, but I'm telling you, with the right information, you can be making profit on a daily basis. So in the past decade, blockchain technology and digital assets have made the greatest impact. Just trace it. From 2009, 2010, 2011, 2011, so we're 2020 now. Between 2010 and now, Bitcoin and blockchain technology have made the greatest impact on the world economy. Look at it now. No matter how much the economy seems to be generally in the world seems to be nosediving, the crypto market is still giving people profit. People are riding on profits on a daily basis. People are riding on profits on a daily basis. So, just as a reminder, blockchain technology is a database or a ledger that stores records of value and transactions across multiple supercomputers. That's how it functions. It's like a ledger. If you're very conversant with accounting system, you know that a ledger stores in the debit and the credit of debit and credit transactions. So the blockchain technology is like that. It stores those information on the blockchain network across so many supercomputers. So you cannot hack the blockchain network. For you to hack the blockchain network, you need to take over the blockchain network, have 51% control, which is almost impossible. So there are different money-making strategies in Bitcoin. I've explained crypto trading, whereby you buy and sell crypto on exchanges. There are what we call masternodes and staking. Masternodes is another passive way of making money, whereby you buy a crypto and you keep it, and at the end of a time, a period of time, after a period of time, you get that same crypto or another crypto for free that you can easily sell to get money, or you and that, which means you stake a particular amount, like maybe you stake like $100 worth of crypto, and you get a particular amount. It gives you the opportunity of getting, maybe earning 50% of another kind of crypto that has value that can easily sell, or that same cryptocurrency that you can easily convert to your fiat currency and make money from. So another one is Bitcoin mining, which is how new Bitcoin is created. The halving is going to give a lot of people plenty money if you're well positioned. If you're well positioned in crypto, you will be making plenty money. Everyone needs passive income from home. I'm telling you, like, personally, I've never had to like work for anyone. I'm just earning my money from home, simply with just my smartphone. Your smartphone can give you lots of money. You can do anything you want to do from your smartphone. At least this whole sit at home thinking have showed you that working remotely does not change anything. The point of it is always that you are delivering value, you are delivering valuable services to people, and you are getting paid for it in the comfort of your home. You don't even need to you can be in your pajamas and you're making money comfortably with your phone. And if you have a laptop, even better, you have your workspace in your home and you're making money from the comfort of your home. You can be your own boss, not necessarily like answering to anybody. Even look at a typical exchange, one of the most used exchange in the world, Binance. They don't have an office anywhere, yet they are the most used exchange in the world. They have workers globally, and none of them, they don't have an office. Every one of their workers works from home, and they are prompt. They deliver services very well on the crypto trading exchange. So working remotely is the key these days. So don't try to be stuck in the rut, be stuck in your usual way of doing things, why the world is passing you by, and you're complaining why you're not making extra money. So all you have to do is okay, seize the times and seasons. So next way of making money in cryptocurrencies, initial coin offerings. Initial coin offerings is like crowdfunding. In crowdfunding, you come with a business idea, you show it to some persons, and everybody contributes money for you to start the business. So with initial coin offering, a company comes with their crypto and tell you, okay, this is the potential of my crypto. This is what my crypto can offer you, and you buy it, that crypto. Then of course they offer it to you at a very low price, and when they offer it to you, eventually when they're done with what they want to do, or when they kickstart the project, launch it officially, what you are holding, a portion of their cryptocurrency you are holding will be worth more than what you bought it at. But then it doesn't mean that every initial coin offering that came out are legit. All of them are not legit. Some of them are eventually the cryptocurrency you are holding might be worth nothing, or less than the money you invested in it. So but everything is risk. That's why you take calculated risk. Don't do anything out of emotionally. Always take calculated risk. Of course, if you don't do anything, you get nothing. But if you do something, you have the chances of actually getting what you're looking for, which is money in this case. Now you can make more money by affiliates. Like most of these exchanges have affiliate links. The more people sign up with the affiliate link and the trade, as the trade you get percentages of their trading equity that you can easily convert to any to the main currency of the platform. So next one is you can accept Bitcoin and crypto as payments. Just like my platform, I have persons that paid me in Bitcoin because they don't have cash to pay me, or they're not in the same country as I am. So they just immediately send Bitcoin to my wallet as payment for the tutorials that I give. So you can make money. There's what we call free money in crypto, then called airdrops. Airdrops are when a crypto startup company comes out, maybe they have 200,000 pieces of their crypto. They decide to give out 50,000 for free to increase awareness about their cryptocurrency. So what they do is give you some task to do, like Facebook page, retweet a post, join like a Facebook group, join a Telegram group, join a Telegram channel, and those kind of things. And then when you're done with all these things, they randomly distribute this free form of their cryptocurrency. So when they get listed on an exchange, you can sell off those cryptocurrency and get money back. So you didn't actually spend money. All you did was just to spend time. A bit of your time to do one or two tasks, and you got money for it. And note that not all airdrops out there are profitable or legit, but you know that it's free, so you can do as much as you want, as much as possible, to make money. So another way of making money is providing technical services and products to the market. There are lots of technical services you can provide in the markets, like as a web developer, you can do a lot. You can provide a lot of services, because there are still web developers that create these exchanges and platforms where this buying and selling happens. There are crypto hedge funds and investment companies, whereby you invest your money with them, and they do the trading. It's like they do the trading for you, and you get returns. But they are big companies. They're not just like ordinary people. They are big companies that do this. They just invest, just like you buying stocks and bonds, and the stocks appreciate in value, and you make lots of money. So you can earn money too by teaching people about these things, about Bitcoin, crypto, blockchain technology. Personally, I earn by doing creating content, crypto related content, and I get paid for it. Same with one or two persons around me. They earn by doing community management, offering web services, and they get paid for it. They don't even have to trade. All you have to do is offer your regular service on normal day, but not in a blockchain format. Like if you used to start writing blockchain content, if you used to do web development, start figuring how to create web blockchain related start doing web development for blockchain. Everything I used to do, there's a place it can fit in blockchain. And the most interesting thing is that they pay you much better than your normal skill would have paid you on a normal day. Like, if you're going to earn $50 as a writer, a normal writer, but as a blockchain writer, you can earn more, like up to $100 and above. And you can get, if you go online, crypto jobs on Twitter, they're always listing companies that need jobs and needs your skills. What can you offer? Are you a UX UI design, someone that designs a user-friendly interface? You can offer those things to all these crypto startup companies, and they'll pay you large money for it. So you can have blockchain as a career, any kind of thing. Like as a lawyer, these days smart contracts are taking over. So lawyers are learning lawyers are the one taking over this, taking really advantage of this space. Smart contracts are whereby contracts that you can create on the blockchain network, and normal way you have an agreement between someone and you put sign on a paper. In smart contracts, you do the same thing, but now it's on the blockchain network, and it can hardly be altered. Before it can be altered, you need permission of the person